Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelly, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome on back. Today we're getting into the pumpkin vibe, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. I'm so excited to be here today because I found out that I finally hit 700 subscribers, which I've been talking about for a long time at this point. It's such a small milestone, but it is a milestone that I'm very happy to be at. So I'm so happy to have made it this far. Pause, let me plug myself real quick. If you're new to this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because like I've been telling you guys, I'm just here to grow my channel and share some makeup tips with you, beauty tips, and just really grow a community here on YouTube. I love this. This is like one of my favorite platforms. It always has been, but yeah. So now let's talk about today's makeup, you guys. I am here because I'm doing another fall makeup tutorial because I feel like September and October, November, they really don't last that long, so I have to get it in, okay? I'm trying to get in all of the fall vibes, and today I'm coming with the orange just because I feel like it's necessary. I did a little brown look, did a little green look. Let's go orange today. So, feeling really pumpkin-y, you guys, so that's exactly what we're about to try to portray here today. So I did do like my brows off camera, which is something that I've been doing a lot. I've also been doing my brows a little bit differently. They're a little bit thinned out. They're not as thick as they usually are. I'm feeling it though. Like, they just look, I don't know, they look snatched. I might have to like update you guys on a new brow routine because honey, I'm doing something different. Not really that different, but I'm just not doing as much as I used to do back in the day. So let's get started with makeup today. As you guys know, like I said, I want to go in something really orange. So I have this Orange Glad little palette by ColourPop. I have this one, Baby Got Peach by ColourPop. It's also really cute. I'm not really sure which one I'm gonna go in with. Like, looking for oranges today, I realized I have a lot of palettes that have orange, burnt oranges, and things like that, because I'm about to show you another palette. If I can get open. I have this one by Morphe. I feel like this one has a really cute amount of orange shades in it. No, I literally just dug into my palette and I did not mean to do that. Yeah, this is the 353 Fierce by Nature palette. And then I have those palettes by Morphe that are like literally the whole shade range is like orange. I don't want to use those today because I feel like I always use those on my channel, or like I always use those when I do my makeup. So I wanted to get into some different palettes today. So yeah, I have a feeling that I already know the colors that I'm going to choose, but yeah. So, and there was one more thing that I wanted to mention before I just like jump right into it. I can't even remember though. So we talked about having 700 subscribers. Oh yeah, filming this video, it's officially fall. So I'm hype about that too, because I know I was a little early with the fall content. I'm not the only one. But, you know, some people don't like that, but now you guys can't even hate on it because it's fall, okay? But yeah, so to start off, I'm gonna go back into the Orange Glad palettes right here, and I'm gonna take this color called You Appeal Me. Like, do you appeal me? I'm going to take this color first, and I should have tried it out, but I already put it on my brush, so it's like, it's just too little too late. I just gotta go with it. And I did, that's actually cute. I did prime my eyelids off camera. Like I was saying, I did my brows and stuff off camera. And I also primed my eyelids. This is actually a really pretty orange. You guys, I feel like so weird when I don't film And granted, I only skipped like a week or two. It's just weird. Like, it's like you have to be comfortable on camera all over again. And that really stinks. Like, there are certain days or certain times when I'm like, oh, I'm so comfortable. Like, I cannot wait to get on camera. And then it's like, what do I say today? I don't know. I don't know what to say. Like, it's giving I'm going to the pumpkin patch, okay? I'm going to the pumpkin patch. I feel like it's funny because growing up, I really didn't like pumpkin. I definitely feel like it's something that you have to grow into. My sister, she's still like really childish and she's not into the pumpkin, like, and that bothers me, but she's still young, so I'm gonna give her time to really grow into it, because I feel like I also had to grow into like the fall scents and stuff like that, but she doesn't get like that fall is life. Like she don't understand, and I know she's not gonna watch this video. Y'all probably like, why are you just talking about your sister like that? She's not gonna see this because she's a hater. Like, she don't be watching my videos. Just in case you do see this, Emily, you're a hater. Okay, so now I'm just kind of jumping back into that Morphe palette that I showed you guys earlier. And I'm going to take this shade right here. I have no idea what it's called, but it's this one right here in the corner. And I'm going to deepen up like the outer corners a little bit. Okay, so now that I've darkened up or deepened up the corners, the outer corners, I'm just gonna go back in with the Baby Got Peach palette, and I'm gonna take this shade, it's right here, and I'm just gonna start blending around the outer lines of the eyeshadow that I've laid down here. And basically what I'm doing here is just giving myself a really pretty fade. Okay, so now that I've finished kind of like laying down the eyeshadow on my eyes, I want to add a pop of glitter. So at Ulta, I picked up these NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Glow Shots. I saw these and they're so cute. So I got two orange ones. I purchased the shade Clementine Fine and also Wow Cacao. I don't know if that's how you say it. I might have just butchered that, but yeah, I got these two shades, so I'm going to try them out for you guys before I figure out which one I want to choose. So this is Clementine Fine, and then this is the second one that I can't pronounce. So these are brightening liquid eyeshadows, and yeah, I'm just going to be placing one of these. I don't know which one's going to be the lucky one. Actually, I do know. I'm going to use the Fine Clementine, not just because I can pronounce it, but because I think it's cute, okay? And I feel like I always go more gold. So this one's giving like bronze rose gold. And I'm just going to apply it on my eye. I've seen people do it like that on Instagram. So let's just see. Do I want to... So I finished my eyes off camera. When I put on this stuff, I feel like I didn't realize that it was going to be so pigmented, and it kind of went over my darker edges. So I did go in with that dark shade, the dark orangey brown shade, and kind of like made it a little bit more intense. But yeah, I added my lashes, and I did a very tiny wing today. So let's move on to face makeup before we finish off the eyes. So for a primer today, I'm going to be taking this Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I just bought this because everybody's saying that it's like Hydro Grip, so I love Hydro Grip. It's one of my favorite primers. So I'm going to be trying this today. And I ain't gonna lie, it feels just like Hydro Grip too. Which is a good thing, because if there's one thing that I can't stand, I really can't stand when people are like, oh, this is like such and such, and it's nothing like that. Like, I understand, like, it's not gonna be... You guys, when I tell y'all I've had the worst luck with this video, I just lost like a whole freaking clip. So, doing my whole face makeup kind of routine, I don't have that clip anymore. I have no idea what just happened, but let me just talk you guys through the products that I used. So I used my Too Faced Born This Way foundation today. I used my, and this is in the shade Honey. This is the matte version. I have my concealer that I used today in the shade Pecan. This is also by Too Faced. It's their newest concealer. Little contour action. I used the Bright Future concealer in the shade Truffle. This one's by Sephora. And then for blush, well, like the liquid stick blush or whatever, this is the ABH blush that I've used on my channel before. It's in Peach Caramel. So yeah, basically what I did was I applied everything at one time, and then I buffed it all out, and I sprayed my face using this spray. But yeah, I don't have that clip. So I want to just talk to you guys about it very briefly. Now I'm just going to kind of go in with some of my powders. I'm going to take this e.l.f. bronzer. It's a primer infused bronzer, and I'm just going to follow up with this in the areas that I contoured. Blush, I'm using one of my favorite blushes. This is one of the blushes by MAC in the shade Peaches. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my cheek. Also, for like regular powder, just to set my face, I used a Laura Mercier powder, which also was in other clip. Y'all, I just feel like I'm in shambles right now. Like, I can't believe that just happened to me. Moving on, I'm trying to move on forward. Trying to move forward from it, but like, I don't even know where I'm at in my makeup routine. Like, this is... Let's do the lips. Okay, so going in with Chestnut today. Again. And because we're feeling super pumpkin-y today, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick, and I'm going to be applying this in the shade Globetrotters. I wore this literally this weekend, and it was so fire, so... Okay, you guys, so here is the final look today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I just want to apologize again in advance because I can't believe that this is like one of the first times that I lost all my clips, but that doesn't matter because we still came out with a really cute pumpkin look. So I hope you guys are as excited for fall as I am. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.